seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero.
Happy birthday, Nay. I wish you more birthdays to come.
Hello, Nay. Happy 80th birthday.
Ingat ka po palagi, nanay. Mahal kita. Bye.
Happy birthday, Laura Baganda. See you next time, Laura Baganda.
Happy birthday, Lola Olivia. Ingat ka palagi and stay healthy.
Hey Lola, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana mahabang buhay pa ang ibigay sa'yo ni Lord. Tsaka ka magkakasakit. Una, dahil wala tayong pera. Tsaka para mas sumaba yung buhay mo, para pag wala ka sakit, hindi mas lalo pang haba yung buhay mo. Kaya kain ka na ng mga gulay, iwas sa karne. Bye! Love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Olivia!
Happy birthday sa lola kong maganda. Wala nang iba. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lola
Ganda.
Baganda.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Every time